caste, your country, set your name or your tribe. There's people always dying, trying to keep them alive. There's bodies decomposing in containers tonight, in an abandoned building where the squatters made a mural of a Mexican girl with 15 cans of spray paint in a chemical swirl. She's standing in the ashes at the end of the world, four winds blowing through her hair. But when great Satan's gone, the horror of Babylon, well, she just can't sustain the pressure where it's placed. She Bible's blind and Torah's deaf, the Koran's mute. If you burned them all together, you'd get close to the truth. Still, they're pouring over Sanskrit under Ivy League moons.